Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. First, let me open this new text document to show you how it works with text. Now let's enter some sample text in here, and if you want to copy it, you have to select it using the left key of your mouse. You can select part of the text or the entire text. Now to copy it, right click and select copy, or just use Ctrl C combination of keys. To paste it, use Ctrl V. And alternatively, you can cut out the text by right clicking and selecting cut, or just using Ctrl X combination of keys. To paste the text, use Ctrl V again. Additionally, you can use the clipboard feature. To enable it, you have to press Windows V combination of keys and then click turn on. And now you can make different selections, and once you press Windows V, you'll be able to paste any selection that you made recently. Okay, now let's see how it works with files and folders in our File Explorer. So let me open it. Now, for example, let's go to Videos folder, Screen Recordings, and here we have some screen recording that I recently made. Now to copy it, you can either select it and select copy right here. You can also select cut right here. You can also right click it and select either copy or cut right here, or you can use Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl X to cut the file out. To paste it, you have to use Ctrl V or right click paste, or select paste icon right here, or use Ctrl V again. And that's basically it. That's how copying and pasting features work on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.